Okay, so look. This, at the very top, you're not given the statement of similarity because they want you to write one. It's not written for you. Okay, so if you're missing the statement of similarity, that's because they give you enough information in these triangles for you to come up with one. Okay, so when you look through this, you'll notice there are no angles. I just ask you to solve for x and y. Okay, so x and y are side lengths. There's no angles. Okay, so that means that it's giving you information to come up with a statement of similarity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this over here, but I'm just going to put the necessary information so that you can follow along.
What?
Okay, so look. If I look at these two triangles, now remember you did this over probably quarantine Zoom school, okay? But some stuff you should remember. Okay, so you guys realize this is what's called an arc. You guys remember that? And it means congruency. It means they're the same, right? Okay, so this is one arc. One arc. Everybody okay? Okay, so because they have the same number of arcs, these two are congruent, right? So if it was 40 degrees, this would be 40. Or if it was 70, this would be 70, right? Okay, so angle Q is congruent to angle, angle Q is congruent to angle T, right? Okay, as far as moving on, see how there's two arcs? Two arcs. Those are congruent. So angle S, Y can I write, is congruent to angle W. Okay, and then do you guys see R and U? R has no marking, U has no marking. But by the triangle sum theorem, right, elimination, if all triangles are 180, right, so for instance, if say this was 40 degrees, this is 40, if say this is 60 degrees and this is 60, then this would be 80 and 80, right? So even though it doesn't have a marking, you should realize that by elimination and the triangle sum theorem, that angle R is congruent to angle U, right? Okay, this is how you get your statement of similarity. Now, you just have to make sure that Q and T are in the same placement. S and W are in the same placement, meaning first, second, third, like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if I come back to here, write the statement of similarity. Can I write it? I'll refer back to this. I'm going to go triangle QSR is similar to TWU. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here's what I mean. Triangle QSR is similar to triangle TWU. And so there's my 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Q and T go together. Exactly, they have the one arc. S and W go together. They have the double arc. And R and U go together because by elimination, it's what's left. I'm just going to write the setup for the next one, okay? Okay, all right, so 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. I'm just going to set up my proportions. Okay, let me just fill out that with the vertices, and then I'll pause the video. Just so it's not too long. Okay, so look, the statement of proportionality has to do with sides. Sides are segments. Segments need two letters to define them because they need the endpoints. Okay, so letters 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, that's how you get the corresponding sides, right? So QS is going to correlate to TW. And so QS, TW, and it's not out of rotation. The top goes with the top, the bottom with the bottom, the left with the left. Okay, 2 and 3 is SR, or you can call it RS. It doesn't matter. Okay, SR and WU. And then lastly, RQ, UT, or TU. And I'll pause the video in a minute.